So I'm going to show you how to shade in your cube after we've done these blocks of color. First thing I need to do is I need to put a sun in here, or some kind of like indication of where my light source is going to be. So I'm going to pick a nice sunny color. That's nice. There we go. And I'm going to use my circle tool right here, my oval. And my sun is going to be right here. I'd like you to put your sun in the same place, or your light source in the same place. You can put a lamp, whatever, I don't care. You can get creative with it. And I'm going to fill in my sun, and I'm going to give it some like light rays. There we go, sun, yay. Okay, so that's done. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start shading in my different layers. I'm going to be using an airbrush tool, so I'm going to actually show you what that looks like right now. Let me get into, let's go to black real quick. So the airbrush tool is going to look like this. We're going to keep it pretty low. It's about 20 right here. So we're going to start out with it small, and then I'm going to make it bigger for our, I'll show you. So I'm going to go to this layer right here, and I'm going to sample this color. And I'm going to make this corner lighter and this corner darker. So I'm sampling this color, and then I'm going to drag this up just a little bit so I can see that there's a difference. That's perfect. And I'm going to use this airbrush tool in the corner here, and I'm kind of go, it's a little too small, maybe make that just a little bit bigger. Kind of just scribble around here. Kind of want it to look a little bit blendy. That's fine. Okay, then I'm going to drag this down to about 40%, and then make that bigger here. And I'm going to kind of go along there and kind of make it blend in a little bit. There we go. That's pretty close. All right, then I'm going to take my eyedropper again, get that color that's in the main color, and I'm going to pull this down to make it a little bit darker. I'm going to pull this back up to 100%, bring that back down, and I'm going to do this darker corner here. And it's okay if I go outside because I've locked that layer, so I can just kind of scribble around. All right, I'm going to bring that opacity down. I'm going to bring, oops, that size up. Maybe even a little bit bigger than that. Okay, looks okay. It's a little scribbly. That's all right though. All right, so this layer is done. So I'm going to do the next layer. Same thing. Grab that. Oops. Then I'm going to sample that color again, drag it down, and do the same thing here. Make this corner darker. right, so that layer's all done. And then I'm going to go up to the next layer. I'm going to sample my color and do the same thing. I'm going to make this corner lighter, this corner darker. All right, that's basically what you do. When you're all finished, I want you to take a screenshot and turn that in on Echo.